Hey everyone, it's Brooke Napier, Realtor with the Plowman team, and today we're going to take a look at our newest home for sale at 3610 Proutt Drive in the beautiful Nestleton. This home is situated on just over 2.5 acres and has so much to offer. This home is located in close proximity to Lake Scugog and has picturesque views from every room in the house. Your living room offers both the cozy fireplace for those cold winter nights as well as the hot summer nights out on your screened-in porch, just steps away from 2 of your 5 bedrooms. Just down the hall, we've got your kitchen with one of 4 walkouts, main floor laundry, and then connecting into your dining room. And if you're thinking about making a move, give the number above a call to discuss how Plowman Team Realty is selling homes twice as fast as our competitors. And the beautiful views continue from every room upstairs. We have 3 great sized bedrooms as well as 2 loft areas. Go check them out and I'll meet you downstairs. Thanks so much for staying till the end of our tour. Again, it's Brooke Napier, Realtor with the Plowman team. If this home caught your eye, give the number above a call to book your private showing, and as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our newest homes for sale.